how to set back tap or double tap to turn on or switch off color filters on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Touch. After that, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Back Tap. In here, you can choose between double tap or triple tap. So I'm going to select double tap, and then we scroll down. In here, select color filters. So select color filters. After that, you can double tap at the back to switch on color filters or to turn off color filters. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.